Today, we're adding some digital distortion with a glitch text animation, perfect for tech videos, intros, or just adding some edge to your titles. Let's get into it. First, open your project and go to the Text tab on the left side of the screen. Scroll down through the animated text options until you find glitch. It's got that edgy flickering distortion effect. Drag this preset onto your timeline. Place it right above your video where you want the glitchy text to appear. If you drag the edges of the text clip, you can make the animation last longer or shorter. Now, click on the text layer in the timeline and head to the Text tab on the right. This is where you can type your custom message. I recommend going with a digital style font to really match that glitchy vibe. You can also change the text color and position to fit your layout. And here's the fun part. Use the amount and speed sliders to control how intense and fast the glitch effect plays out. If you want a subtle flicker or a full-blown distortion, you've got the control right here. And that's it. You've just added an eye-catching glitch text animation in Clipchamp. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Clipchamp editing tips.